Hello, so we're here on the Quick Start Wizard, and what we're going to do is run through the wizard. So before you do this, you want to make sure that you've set all your settings in the FastMember settings in the FastFlow dashboard. You've got your API keys and your FastMember settings are all set up. And so once you've got all those in place, we can actually run this wizard. So what we want to do is come into the first tab and we want to set up our products. So in this instance, we're going to do a free product, a subscription product, and a single product. So we'll just call these basic names: free, subscription, and single. And we'll set the subscription at $10 each month, and the single product can be $100. And then for each of these, we're going to have 5 content pages. And so next we want to choose where we want to actually set this as a funnel. So we've got a fast funnel option. This will sequence your pages in order. Or we want to choose whether they want sales pages for each product or one sales page for all products. And again with the thank you pages. I'll set the fast funnel option so you can see what happens. And then we'll move on to the payment section. So depending on which plugins you've got installed, you'll see the options here. We're going to use PayPal and we're going to use Stripe. You can choose these options as well. You can change these at any time. And then we're going to create the products and pages. If you want to add a coupon, you can add them at any time with the coupon block, which I'll show you shortly. So if we just create these products and pages. So you'll see it's run the wizard and it's giving you a checklist here. So basically this will link to each of the various sections. So from here we can view the products, the content pages. So we create 5 content pages for each product. The sales or sign up page, so we've got a sign up page for the free product and a subscription and a single sales page, and then the thank you page for the products. As we set a fast funnel, that's going to be the final page in the sequence. Then there's some links here linking to the various other sections in the FastMember plugin. So we'll explore these fully in another video.